Welcome to another video on my Raspberry Pi 1 running Raspbian Linux, and in this case programmed in Python again. The Raspberry Pi is equipped with stacked upon it serial Pi Plus board connected to with a serial cable and band cable, network cable, and the Raspberry Pi camera, Raspicam, for a high definition video with a slight delay. The network cable is for connection to internet and for VNC. The serial cable is necessary to do anything like starting the VNC server, otherwise it's next to impossible. And the band cable, make sure that it's connected to this breadboard with, for this project, only this chip, the MAX 522, which is a digital to analog converter, which means that it is not reading from but sending to electronics. This is an ADC, analog to digital converter, using serial peripheral interface, reading from an LDR and reading from an NTC, negative term coefficient resistor. However, this one, because you see that it is connected to the same wires, this works on a 3-wire SPI. 3-wire because the master input, slave output, master output, slave input are connected. Where this is full duplex, this is half duplex. One way only, either one or the other. And well, what do I control? Well, I intend to control this LED. Will it work? I'm not sure yet. Last time I met with a few strange errors. Errors, not really errors, but more notifications. Messages that indicate that it doesn't know what it's looking at. Some device, and it doesn't recognize the device somehow. The odd thing is, by the way, that this one does work, but it gives the same messages suddenly. So whatever is going on, I'm not quite sure. So in order to get things started, let's just run it and see whatever comes of it. I don't have the idea that you will see the LED blink, but let me start the program. And yeah, right now you can't see a thing, but at least it gives a message that part of the program works nicely. So let's take a look at the program. So after the introduction, I attached the probes for clock, data, and cable select, chip select. Also to be seen here, clock, data, the data out, data in are combined, and CS bar. CS bar means, or bar means that CS has a bar above it, which means it is inverted. The forest line is not connected now, but I can of course connect it to, which I realized just now, to the LED to see if there's any signal over it. So let's just do that. Well, just like that. Now everything is covered. So let's run again. And yes, I do see a signal over it, but not constant, and that was exactly the case last time. But also the spidev object, well, which is what? So let me go to, not this one. Where is my, wait, where is it gone? My window has gone. That's not good. That is not nice. I'm looking for this one, because this one takes care of this part, and so this should have, see, and there it says the same, so I can hold the LDR values, which do not work currently. Nope, they do not, probably because of the fact that I combined everything, and that is this combination here. That's why it won't work now. But why is this happening anyway? And why do I not see a signal whenever I press enter? So we put it at 100 milliseconds. And I see some things here. So what I can do is change this and say okay, continue. So while true, and now I have to make sure I obey the Python rules. Invalid syntax. Would it be 1 then? Oh no, no, I forget. I need a colon. This is the way it should be. And C. But I need to incorporate apparently this one. So This one goes here. This one goes out, no longer needed. I said this one goes out. And go. Now things become a bit odd. So why is that suddenly an invalid argument? Do I have to put it here then? This is an invalid argument. Okay, just really invalid. Let me put it out. It does mean that there's no data transfer, but too many oh, right. Too many open files now. So I have to take this one out, put it here. Again, too many open files. Line 22. Why are there too many open files? That's okay. I need to find that out. Alright. I could not find a real answer for the too many files open, but I changed the algorithm a bit with a for loop, and I enabled the transfer, which gives a bit of an issue. Now it says invalid argument, which might be right, but I took once again the documentation of SPI, and it says, alright, this is then transfer 2 instead of transfer 1, but it only gets 1 byte. And okay, I find that I make one slight difference. Here they say SPI close, which I do not do. So if I change to transfer 2 and I close the port, what will happen? I open it here, so I print and I say SPI close, and the rest I leave for what it is. Let's see. Nope. Oh wait, I should make it 2, transfer 2. Nope. An invalid argument. Why is this hexadecimal byte or hexadecimal representation of a byte good, and why is mine not good? This is a byte just as any other. So I comment it out for a moment, go. And now it says a bad file descriptor, which I don't get either. So, should I declare it? Well, let me declare it then. Whatever. Just trying out. Nope. Not happening. And I open it. And here several things happen after opening it. So this is out of the loop, this is out of the loop, so actually this is out of the loop and I should take this out of the loop. So let me try that one. It shouldn't matter anyway, but and that's another thing. If I open it here once, why close it many times? So see, that kind of helps. Now I enable this one again and I will probably have the same problem again. Yeah, invalid argument. Do I miss something in the example? Except for this maybe. Let me change that one. So let me take it the same. Okay. No, same thing. So that is not quite clear to me. Oh wait, I have disabled SPI open. Yeah, because it's up there. Yeah. So if I disable this one for now, okay, more 500. So it's pretty much, it's quite a lot. And I want that signal back. So let me go to 5000. Yeah, nothing happening. So I have to focus on transfer. Why is that such a problem? By now I have changed a couple of things and investigated some more, and I still don't like it. First of all, using the code that still should work has a max speed in hertz, so I added that. Next thing, I also changed from Python version 2 to Python version 3 because it was said that that could be the problem. It doesn't. Then I changed an argument from just 0x01 to 1, etc., just like I more or less did here. It doesn't work. So whatever it is, I don't know. If I take out this one again, shouldn't, but what the heck. It goes on nicely without one single signal. And that's what I want to get, a signal, which I did get earlier. Oh, by the way, changing from Python 2 to Python 3 also involves the addition of a bracket around the print statement. According to an example, I also included time.sleep for 1/100th of a second. But it still doesn't tell me why this is going wrong. And all these examples with explanation date from 3 years, almost 4 years back. So that's not helping for this. Now let me take away this line. Going back to whatever the example said. Round bracket, square bracket, byte, square bracket, round bracket. Should be working. It won't. Nope. Then changing to back to 1. Doesn't work. So what's easier than try this one? So Python, no, sudo Python GPIO line 1, go. Okay, now I'm taking out the sudo. Yeah, no access to that memory. Oh, wait. Wait. Where is my dev memory set? Where is that working? Or is that because of the sudo? That could very well be. Because there's no typical code here that accesses the memory. And this is here as well. Set mode, yes. This is there as well. Makes no use, but anyway. SPI spidev, yes. So let's put the print in here. Keeping things more or less the same. While true here. That's it. So let's run this. Without Python then? Without sudo? Yeah. Okay, so dev memory is with sudo. But then here the spidev object, that's no good. Okay, let's do something different then. And for change, let's use the Pi camera. Taking them all out. And let's see what the difference is. Nothing. No difference at all. Which is, to say the least, strange. No signal whatsoever anymore. Not with data, not with clock. So whatever is happening, not good. And time is up, so I have to wrap up this video. Unfortunately, not really a positive result, but things are depending apparently on Python version, on something weird like an argument that should be alright but apparently isn't. And more stuff, like why do I get a signal on the oscilloscope one time and next time I can forget it. I also wanted to try my tablet again. Well, needless to say, my tablet, but I can do whatever I like. But that is not really going to work out. Not in the present circumstances. So I think for now, well, this is working. I don't have the keyboard up right now. Let me try for a moment. Here it is. Same thing happening. as expected, and that's about it. Ctrl C doesn't work, so I have to let it go, but oh well, it's a worthwhile experiment. I need to find out the Ctrl C how that works, because it's irritating if I can do it on a normal keyboard and not on this one. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment or suggestion if you know how to solve this. Much appreciated. You can also follow me via Instagram and Twitter. Please support by making a small donation via either PayPal or Wired. And you can also become a patron and have your name mentioned. This is to be continued. Thank you for watching. Oh, by the way, you can find all information under this video. To be continued, and bye bye.